In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dictate emails in Gmail. This is a great tool for multitasking, improving efficiency, or simply giving your fingers a rest from typing. First, we need a little help from a Chrome extension. To get started, head over to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type dictation for Gmail, or you could also consider alternatives like Voice In, which offer similar capabilities. Once you've found an extension that suits your needs, the next step is to add it to your browser. Simply click Add to Chrome and follow any on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. This might take a few moments, so be patient. After successfully installing the extension, you'll notice a new addition. A handy microphone icon has appeared in your Gmail interface. Now that we've got that set up, it's time to put it to use. Open Gmail and begin composing a new email just as you normally would. But this time, instead of typing out your messages, click on that microphone icon we've just added. Before you start dictating your message, your browser may prompt you to allow microphone access. Go ahead and click on Allow to grant permission. Once you've given the necessary permissions, you're ready to start speaking your message. Simply vocalize your thoughts just as you'd like them to appear in the email. As you speak, you'll observe the text appearing on the screen. This might seem a little strange at first, but with a bit of practice, you'll be dictating like a pro in no time. When you're finished speaking and your message is complete, click the microphone icon again to stop the dictation. It's important to review the dictated text for any potential errors. Speech recognition technology is amazing, but it's not perfect. You might find the occasional mistake, especially with tricky names or homophones, so take a moment to proofread your message before hitting send. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've now equipped yourself with the ability to dictate emails in Gmail, an amazingly efficient tool for those who prefer or need to vocalize their thoughts rather than type them out manually. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you use this feature, the more comfortable you will become with it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips and tech tutorials. See you next time.